In this incredible video, we follow the inspiring journey of a man who, after turning 60, decided to take on the ambitious project of building his very own log cabin from scratch. What makes this story truly remarkable is that he's taking on almost the entire process himself, embracing the challenge of constructing every element, from the foundation to the final touches. The journey begins with the preparation of the land. Tree roots are carefully removed, and the soil is meticulously leveled to create a strong and stable base. While he takes on most of the construction solo, a professional team is brought in briefly during the foundation phase to ensure everything is perfectly reinforced and structurally sound. Excavation is done with precision, and formwork along with steel reinforcement bars are placed to create a solid skeleton for the house. Every step, no matter how small it may seem, is crucial because the strength and longevity of the cabin will depend entirely on the quality of this groundwork. As the foundation begins to take shape, the dimensions and layout of the home become visible, revealing the blueprint of the space that will soon be transformed into a cozy log retreat. Next, small concrete blocks are positioned at key load-bearing points, and the spaces between the walls are carefully leveled. These subtle but vital steps ensure that the foundation can handle the weight and complexity of the log structure that will come next. Once the ground is fully prepared, the real transformation begins. Thick, sturdy wooden beams are measured, aligned, and placed precisely on the foundation. These beams form the backbone of the cabin, resting securely on supportive legs while ensuring that every line and corner is perfectly straight. Vertical wooden columns are then raised and connected to the beams, step by step, forming the core skeleton of the cabin. Temporary scaffolding is installed to make the construction safer and easier, although it will be removed entirely once the structure is complete. Finally, the roof trusses begin to be lifted into position, gradually giving shape to the cabin and turning a patch of cleared land into the beginnings of a stunning log home. Each carefully measured piece, each precise placement, reflects not just skill, but an extraordinary dedication to building something with one's own hands. At this stage, each roof truss is carefully inspected and adjusted. No piece is permanently fixed until the perfect angle is achieved, ensuring the entire structure will come together flawlessly from the top down. Step by step, the cabin's framework begins to close in, giving a clear sense of the final shape. With the roof taking form, the focus shifts to the walls. Wooden panels are carefully stacked, starting from the bottom row and gradually working upward. Each piece locks into place, creating steadily rising walls that bring the log cabin closer to reality. Soon, a solid surface appears on the roof, providing a safe and stable area to continue working. To protect the timber, a durable protective layer is applied to the wooden surfaces, guarding against moisture, weather, and wear. With this foundation in place, the roofing materials are installed, covering the top and giving the structure a more polished, organized appearance. As the cabin transforms into a fully enclosed space, the details start to shine. Windows are carefully installed, adding natural light and defining the interior space. The exterior wooden panels are painted, enhancing both the beauty and protection of the structure. The temporary scaffolding, which has supported so much of the construction, is now dismantled as its role comes to an end. Wooden railings are installed and secured with precise measurements, completing the entrance and adding a final touch of craftsmanship. From the outside, the cabin now looks organized, structured, and ready for use. But the work isn't finished yet. The focus shifts indoors, where the interior spaces will be completed, transforming this once empty foundation into a true home. As the rough work outside nears completion, the focus shifts to the interior, where the walls begin to rise, slowly shaping the heart of the cabin. The space inside starts to reveal its potential, with each beam and panel adding structure and character. Behind the scenes, the technical setup takes shape. Cables are carefully routed through the walls, and connection points are prepared to support lighting and electrical outlets. Step by step, the electrical system comes to life, laying the foundation for a fully functional and comfortable interior. Attention then turns to the floor. Insulation panels are fitted snugly between the floor joists, sealing gaps to maintain warmth and energy efficiency. Over this base, wooden floorboards are placed one by one, secured in sequence, gradually transforming the bare foundation into a solid, inviting surface to walk on. This project is remarkable not just for its craftsmanship, but for the determination behind it. After the age of 60, this man has taken on the ambitious goal of building his own wooden house entirely with his own hands. Every stage is planned meticulously, progressing as far as his strength and skill allow. A truly inspiring feat of dedication and perseverance. With the floors complete, the electrical outlets and lighting fixtures are fully installed, ready to power the cabin. The next step focuses on practical living spaces. Wooden supports are prepared to hold the kitchen sink, and a custom cabinet is carefully measured, cut, and assembled to accommodate the countertop and sink. Meanwhile, the plumbing system begins to take shape. A pit is dug to house the wastewater tank, designed to handle all drainage from the toilet, sink, shower, and kitchen. The tank is carefully lowered into place, fitted precisely to its prepared area. This system ensures that the cabin can manage wastewater efficiently, even in remote locations without access to a conventional sewage system. Step by step, the interior of this self-built cabin is becoming functional, comfortable, and ready to welcome life inside. A true testament to skill, planning, and determination. The preparation for the toilet and bathroom floors is now underway, a critical step before closing the surface. Wastewater and drainage pipes are carefully laid out, ensuring that every connection is secure and that the system will function flawlessly. Every part of the infrastructure is being meticulously prepared before the floorboards cover it, creating a foundation for long-term reliability and comfort. Next, attention turns to the bathroom itself. A bathtub is installed, fitting perfectly into its designated space, and the walls are gradually being tiled to create a fully functional wet area. Each tile is placed with precision, ensuring both beauty and durability. In this phase, no task is too small or too large. Some steps may take hours of careful measurement, while others require just a single piece to be positioned. Yet each action is crucial, building on the previous one to advance the construction toward completion. Meanwhile, preparations for the stove area are progressing. The floor and surrounding walls are covered with heat-resistant materials, forming a safe and functional environment. Bricks and fireproof surfaces are meticulously installed to create the dedicated stove section. Safety and usability are at the forefront, with every detail designed to withstand heat while complementing the interior aesthetics. Once the chimney system is mounted, the stove will be ready for its first test, a moment that brings together all the effort and planning invested from the very beginning. Every measurement, every cut, and every placement contributes to a structure built not just with materials, but with time, care, and dedication. This entire project is a testament to what can be achieved with patience and determination. For an even more detailed look at every stage of this incredible build, you can watch the full-length version on the YouTube channel of the man who built this house. The links are provided in the description for those who want to explore every step up close.